Kharagpur is a city in West Bengal, India, nestled in the southeastern part of the state. It is a place that beautifully blends history, nature, and modernity. It is a place where history and nature intertwine, offering a unique experience for visitors and residents alike. The city is dotted with historical landmarks that tell tales of its rich past. Kharagpur is known for its lush greenery and peaceful atmosphere. The city boasts numerous parks and gardens, providing a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of urban life. The city has a rich past, with historical buildings and monuments that stand as a testament to its vibrant history. These structures offer a glimpse into the architectural brilliance of bygone eras. It is also a hub of education and technology. The Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Kharagpur, one of the oldest and most prestigious engineering institutes in India, is located here. Kharagpur is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Its scenic views and off-the-beaten-path locations make it a perfect destination for those seeking tranquility and adventure. Kharagpur is located in the southeastern part of West Bengal, making it easily accessible from various parts of the state and beyond. It is situated in the Paschim Medinipur district, an area known for its picturesque landscapes and rural charm. The city is well connected by road and rail, making travel convenient for both locals and tourists. The bustling roads and extensive railway network ensure seamless connectivity. Kharagpur is an important railway junction, serving as a gateway to other parts of India. The railway station is one of the busiest in the region. It is a gateway to other parts of India, facilitating easy travel and trade. The constant movement of trains adds to the dynamic energy of the city. Kharagpur is famous for the Indian Institute of Technology, IIT, a beacon of academic excellence and innovation. IIT Kharagpur is one of the oldest and most prestigious engineering institutes in India, attracting students from all over the country and the world. The city is also known for its natural beauty. With its scenic rivers and lush landscapes, Kharagpur offers a refreshing retreat into nature. Kharagpur is surrounded by forests and rivers, making it a haven for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts. Kharagpur offers a unique blend of urban and rural life. The city seamlessly integrates modern amenities with traditional values. It is a place where tradition meets modernity, creating a vibrant cultural tapestry that is both diverse and harmonious. The city has something to offer everyone, from cultural events to modern attractions. Kharagpur caters to a wide range of interests. Come and explore the hidden gem of West Bengal. Discover the charm, history, and natural beauty that make Kharagpur a truly unique destination. Kharagpur Junction is a testament to India's railway heritage. It is one of the busiest railway stations in India. The station is a vital transportation hub. It connects eastern India to the rest of the country. Kharagpur Junction was established in 1898. It was a crucial part of the Bengal-Nagpur Railway. This railway line was essential for trade and transportation. The station's architecture reflects the grandeur of the British colonial era. Kharagpur Junction played a significant role in India's independence movement. It was a witness to historical events. The station has stood the test of time. Today it continues to serve millions of passengers every year. The station is a symbol of Kharagpur's historical importance. It is a reminder of India's rich railway heritage. Kharagpur Junction is a place where history comes alive. The Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur, IIT KGP, is a beacon of academic excellence, standing tall as a symbol of India's educational prowess. It is one of the most prestigious engineering institutes in India, attracting the brightest minds from across the nation and beyond. And IIT Kharagpur has played a pivotal role in shaping India's technological advancement, contributing significantly to various fields of science and engineering. The institute is a source of national pride, representing the aspirations and achievements of countless students and faculty members. IIT Kharagpur was established in 1951, marking the beginning of a new era in technical education in India. It was the first IIT to be established in India, setting a precedent for future institutes of technology. The institute was set up with the vision of producing world-class engineers and scientists who would go on to make significant contributions globally. IIT Kharagpur has a sprawling campus spread over 2,100 acres, providing a conducive environment for learning and innovation. It is home to state-of-the-art facilities and renowned faculty who are leaders in their respective fields. The institute offers a wide range of undergraduate and postgraduate programs, catering to diverse academic interests and career aspirations. It is known for its rigorous academic curriculum, which challenges students to push their boundaries and excel. Kharagpur has a strong emphasis on research and innovation, encouraging students and faculty to explore new frontiers of knowledge. The institute has produced numerous alumni who have excelled in their respective fields, becoming leaders and innovators. IIT Kharagpur has made significant contributions to various sectors, including technology, science, and engineering. These include technology, science, and engineering, where its impact is felt both nationally and internationally. The institute continues to be a driving force behind India's progress, fostering a culture of excellence and innovation that inspires future generations. Kharagpur is blessed with abundant natural beauty. The city is a green oasis amidst the hustle and bustle of urban life. Lush greenery surrounds Kharagpur. The city offers a welcome respite from the concrete jungle. Kharagpur is home to numerous parks and gardens. These green spaces provide a tranquil escape for residents. The city is also dotted with lakes and water bodies. They enhance its scenic beauty. The rural areas surrounding Kharagpur are a sight to behold. Vast stretches of farmland and forests paint a picturesque landscape. The air is fresh and invigorating. Kharagpur's natural beauty is a source of peace and tranquility. It is a reminder of the importance of preserving our environment. The city's green spaces offer a welcome respite from the stresses of modern life. Section 5, the lifeblood of Kharagpur rivers and water bodies. Kharagpur's landscape is crisscrossed by rivers and water bodies. They are the lifeblood of the region. These rivers and water bodies play a vital role in the ecosystem. They also enhance the city's scenic beauty. The Subarnarekha River is one of the major rivers that flow through Kharagpur. It is a lifeline for the surrounding villages. The river is a source of irrigation and drinking water. The Kansai River is another important river in the region. It flows through the outskirts of Kharagpur. The river is known for its scenic beauty. Kharagpur has several lakes and ponds. They add to the city's charm. These water bodies attract a variety of birds. The lakes and ponds provide a serene atmosphere. The rivers and water bodies of Kharagpur are an integral part of its identity. They sustain life and enhance the city's natural beauty. Section 6. Kangsabati Dam, a symphony of water and engineering. Kangsabati Dam is an engineering marvel located near Kharagpur. It stands as a testament to human ingenuity. The dam is a popular tourist destination. It offers breathtaking views. The Kangsabati Dam was built in the 1950s. It was constructed to harness the waters of the Kangsabati River. The dam serves multiple purposes. It provides irrigation water to the surrounding agricultural lands. It also generates hydroelectric power. The reservoir created by the dam is a sight to behold. It stretches for miles. The reservoir is surrounded by hills and forests. Visitors to Kangsabati Dam can enjoy boating and fishing. The surrounding area offers opportunities for trekking and picnicking. The dam is a perfect getaway. Section 7, Panchmura, where history whispers through the ruins. Panchmura is an ancient historical site located near Kharagpur. It is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. Panchmura was once a thriving city. Today it stands in ruins. The ruins tell tales of a bygone era. Panchmura dates back to the Gupta period. It was ruled by the Mayurakshi kings. The city was known for its temples and palaces. Panchmura was a center of art and culture. The ruins of Panchmura include temples dedicated to Lord Shiva and Vishnu. The intricate carvings on the temple walls are a testament to the craftsmanship of the time. The site also has remnants of ancient houses and streets. Panchmura is a protected monument. The Archaeological Survey of India is responsible for its preservation. The site is a reminder of the rich history and cultural heritage of the region. Section 8. Nature's bounty, wildlife and flora of Kharagpur. Kharagpur is blessed with a rich diversity of flora and fauna. The forests surrounding the city are home to a variety of plant and animal species. Kharagpur's natural habitats support a delicate ecosystem. The forests of Kharagpur are predominantly tropical, dry, deciduous forests. They are characterized by trees such as sal, teak and mahua. The forests come alive during the monsoon season. Kharagpur is home to a variety of mammals. These include deer, wild boars and jackals. The forests are also home to several species of birds. Birdwatchers can spot peacocks, kingfishers and owls. The rivers and water bodies of Kharagpur support a variety of aquatic life. These include fish, turtles and crocodiles. The region is also home to a variety of snakes and lizards. Section 9, Kharagpur, a harmonious blend of urban and natural. Kharagpur stands as a testament to the harmonious coexistence of urban development and natural beauty. The city offers a unique blend of both worlds. Kharagpur is a place where one can experience the best of both. Kharagpur has witnessed rapid urbanization in recent years. Despite this, the city has managed to preserve its natural heritage. The green spaces and parks are meticulously maintained, providing a serene environment for the residents. The streets are lined with trees, offering shade and a touch of nature amidst the urban setting. The presence of IIT Kharagpur has contributed significantly to the city's growth. This prestigious institution not only brings academic excellence but also fosters innovation and development. Kharagpur's green spaces, rivers and forests provide a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. These natural areas are perfect for relaxation, recreation and connecting with nature. These natural assets enhance the quality of life for residents. They also attract tourists from various parts of the country and even abroad. The city's commitment to sustainable development is commendable. Efforts are continuously made to ensure that development projects do not harm the environment. Kharagpur serves as a model for other cities, demonstrating that it is possible to achieve growth without compromising on environmental conservation. It shows that urban growth and environmental conservation can go hand in hand. The city planners have done an excellent job in integrating modern infrastructure with natural elements. Kharagpur's unique blend of urban and natural elements makes it an ideal place to live, work and visit. The modern buildings are often surrounded by lush greenery, creating a visually appealing and healthy environment. The city offers a high quality of life. It is a place where one can connect with nature and enjoy the comforts of modern living. The residents of Kharagpur take pride in their city and the sense of community is strong. Whether it's a leisurely walk in the park, a visit to the local markets, or enjoying the modern amenities, Kharagpur provides a fulfilling and balanced lifestyle.